This is Kyle with Pro Drain and Rooter Service recording video at 216 Northeast Knott Street. We are checking out a 2-inch drain line by a hot water heater located by the northwest stairwell. Inside a little bit, we'll show you. So you got here, there's that stairwell to the outside there. Go ahead and scope this drain. Looks like a little rivet or something. And here it goes, opening up into a main line there. Push this out a little ways. Again, this is going to be a 4-inch cast iron here. And there's going to be some sort of back-to-back where there's a drop right there. Don't think we'll be able to get this camera to go down. It's just going to skip across. Okay, so we'll pull back. Get a kind of a length of how far this line is before it connects into the main. Again, this is the 4-inch. Okay, so here we are. We'll zero this foot counter out. This is a pretty short line. So about 3 feet is all this line is before it connects to the main. And there's a small rivet in there, but shouldn't be any issues with just this water that comes from this hot water heater. That concludes our video.